Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing our stock screener, our API series with part 10 today. We're going to be looking at how to slice a data frame with a Pandas series and with multiple series. So alright, let's just go ahead and jump into it. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos. So as you can see, we're going through and we're pulling down our pickle files, and then we're going to then go through them, and we're going to then be building our data frame. And as you can see down here, we've dumped this in. So if you have not seen any of these other videos, there are 9, of course. And everything that we've done here before, there's been a micro video on, but this is going to be something new that we've done. So here's our standard that we have. I meant to delete this. So I have this is our standard. I know how to now slice with, we got data frame peg. So now this is going to be, so I've gone from my df results data frame, which has 5,288 down to 450. So I've gotten rid of, I've sorted out, I've sliced out a pretty significant amount. But the issue is I want to have a certain range of margin, a certain range of PE, a certain range of peg that I care about. So there is a way that we've done a video on this, and so we know and, so we have the keyword, the condition and, but now we also learned about the bitwise operator, the and sign. So we have true and true, so true and false. So this is the technique that we're going to use to create what I prefer and what I have found over time is the best practice of how I sort. So we'll just go ahead and look at this. And it's going to look something just like this. So I have my results. So I'm going to do df. We're going to change this. df dot peg. We're going to change this out. And then just like normal, df results. And I'll show you how to do this. So then we open it up. Now these are tuples, okay? So df results, then we pass it in just like this is how we're passing in our multiple series. So then peg, just it's these over here. So capital, I have my peg capital, and then then I have it, I want the peg ratio to be less than 1. So to remind you what the peg ratio is it is the PE ratio divided by growth. So if you have a PE ratio of 12, but you're growing at 12 times, your peg ratio will be 1. So you can have a high PE, but as long as you're growing at the same rate, you're basically back at 0. So that's why I like less than 1. So now, and then so we'll do this, and then df results, df results. I don't know why I capitalized that. So I want it between a range. So I want it greater than 0, but less than 1. So then peg again. Close that out. And also greater than 0, sorry. Greater than 0. Close this out. Another and. Then I want df results, and then margin. Then close this out, and I want you to be making a substantial amount of margin. So I have that as 20. Then another one, the last one is, I think this is the last one. Yeah. And then I want df results, and I want the PE to be greater than 10. Then I close this out. Then boom, let's see if I typed all this right. Nope. And I forgot some parentheses. So, all right. I knew this was a long shot. All right, so here. All right. So, yeah, I didn't wrap. So, make sure each one of these is wrapped in a tuple and going forward. So, I think that's what I forgot right somewhere. Right there. I didn't close that one out. So, all right. So, peg less than 1 and peg greater than 0 and margin greater than 20 and PE greater than 10. So then now, let's check this out. Boom. 149 different companies that then I can examine. Are they healthy? And then there's ways that I sort this out, but this is a very good starting point for you. So there we go, guys. And I think there might be one more, but either way, you guys are on your way. So today's stream was absolutely awesome. I loved it. If there's new folks here tonight from the stream, thank you very much for joining. Make sure if you have not subscribed or joined over on Discord, make sure you're doing that. And if you have just stumbled across us right now, make sure you're hitting the subscribe button and staying tuned until the end of the video to watch these videos right here, because there's over 800. I think this is 825 today. So as always, guys, thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.